In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size in Canva, whether you're designing a flyer, a social media post, or a presentation. Adjusting the font size can make a big difference in the visual appeal and readability of your design. Let's dive into how you can easily accomplish this in just a few simple steps. First, open up your Canva project. Once you're in Canva, navigate to the design you're working on, whether it's a fresh new project or something you've been editing for a while. Now take a moment to identify the text element you want to change. This is important because the next actions will specifically affect that piece of text. Once you've found the text, click on it. This will highlight the text and bring up the text editing toolbar directly above your workspace. If you're having trouble selecting the text, make sure your cursor changes into the text selection icon. That's how you know Canva has recognized your action and is ready for editing. With your text now selected, it's time to adjust the font size. Look toward the toolbar at the top of the screen. You'll see a number that indicates the current size of your text. You have two ways to change it. You can either choose from the preset sizes in the drop-down menu or manually type in a custom number. Manually entering a size is especially useful if you're working with precise design requirements or a specific visual style. After adjusting the size, take a moment to preview how the new text looks in your design. It's a good idea to tweak it until you achieve the perfect balance, making sure the text is readable, visually appealing, and well balanced with other elements on your canvas. Increasing the font size can help draw attention to important details, while reducing it can make room for visuals and maintain a clean layout. This process is all about ensuring your design communicates your message as effectively as possible. Don't rush. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how professional and polished your final design appears. And that's it. You've just learned how to change the font size in Canva. With just a few clicks, you can enhance both the appearance and readability of your text elements. Remember to save your changes and don't be afraid to experiment with different sizes to see what works best for your specific project. Thanks for watching and happy designing.